What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's almost 45 degrees here today in Utah. Big Mac gave me a call and he said, dude, let's go for a ride. Me and Big Mac are gonna go head out. I'm gonna check out the new Star 3030 cam. Wait till you see this bike. So I have not yet ridden my Road Glide with the Star 3030 cam. I actually trailered it back from Tucker Speed Shop where it was dyno tuned. This is gonna be my first, hopefully be able to show you guys my reaction. I got this, I don't know if you can see it here. This new GoPro mic on here. Ugh, what focus? Yeah, it's like GoPro mic adapter, so hopefully you guys will be able to hear me and it sounds good. And then a little bit later, we're gonna head over to A Shade Above. That's where I'm gonna go pick up my saddlebags for my Road Glide. Well, let's go get a cold start. Damn, this thing's a fucking demon. Hear those Chromworks bark. Yeah. Damn, that fucking back brake is smoking, bro. Uh-oh. I think we got a problem.
Come on, boys, because it fucking short pipes, it fucking sucks dick.
Because what? Stretch bags or what?
Yeah.
Alright, so after a quick stop at Blakline, Bryce adjusted my suspension, and then he said it's still just kind of the braking period for the brakes, so he took a look at it, took it all apart. He said, yeah, everything looks great. So we're good to go. Chalk that up to overreacting, and that's just the story of my life with these fucking motorcycles. Always worried about something. Alright. What up, Big Mac? Whoops. Smoke Big Mac. This cam gets it. Camera almost fell off.
Fire
Fuck yeah. Alright guys, so we got the bags on. I think it looks really good. The only thing is we turned out the muffler and it's kind of hitting, so I'm going to go back, twist that one out. Should be fine for just a quick 15-minute ride, but looking glossy as heck. Whew. What do you think, Big Mac?
Looks awesome.
Looks awesome, huh?
Yep.
Alright, let's hit the road. What's up guys, we're back, and well, shit happens, right? Me and Big Mac didn't get to go on the coolest fucking ride, kind of troubleshooting a couple bugs that I was having with my bike. So in the beginning there, my rear rotor, I felt like it wasn't grabbing, and then when we pulled off, because my 360 camera was kind of falling off after the fire trucks went by, it seemed like my rear brake was smoking. So we just played it safe, headed over to the bike shop. They were there, Blakline Speed Shop, hooked it up and went through everything, even turned out my mufflers for me and adjusted my rear suspension, which was way better, dude. That thing was so bouncy, I felt like it was throwing me off, and after he got his hands on it, it definitely calmed it down, so that was great. Well, after that, headed up to Shade Above, had the bags wrapped for me. They said they had to use a colored xpel because the bags were kind of a little bit chipped, but man, they look freaking good. They're super glossy. We ran into another issue there because we turned my pipes out to miss the shocks. The pipe was touching the bag, so we headed on back to Blakline Speed Shop, and actually Big Mac had to head to work, so we split off. He went down the freeway, I got off the exit, went over to Blakline, and they were able to turn my pipe and kind of get that thing situated. Probably gonna have to do the same thing all over again when we do my rear fender. That 30-30 cam is insane. It just thumps so hard. Let me give it one more for you guys. So sorry, that compression release got me. It was like, ah. It reminded me of my dogs. like when your dogs really want to go out to the park and go on a walk, and then you're like, dude, I gotta go to work or something, and they just look at you with that sad face. But anyways, all right, now I'm being goofy. It was a fun day, man. I was really hoping we were gonna be able to take you guys to like Antelope Island or a cool fucking ride somewhere. It didn't happen, but that's part of the journey, dude. These bikes, man, you ride them, they break, you fix them, or you get upgrades, and sometimes just things aren't perfect, but that's okay, dude. You know, it's okay. Just get it fixed, get it right, make sure you feel safe on the bike, and keep going. But anyways, hey, I appreciate all you guys coming with me. Thanks for riding with me. And hopefully all this, hopefully the new mic that I got on my helmet turned out, and you're able to hear me talk about whatever I was talking about, goofing off, and the way I felt about that cam. Anyways, all right, I'm done. I'm goofing off. I need to go hang out with my wife. We'll see you guys later.